Okay, we're on our day ride. It's March 9th, Wednesday. It's a beautiful day. It's probably in the 70s already. It's gorgeous. We're on the Cades Cove Loop. And once you get in, it's an 11-mile loop. And once you're in, you're in. You can't turn around and go back around.
They have a couple of turnoffs where you can go.
You can make shortcuts.
Yeah, a little bit of shortcut anyway.
But you can't. It's a one-way road, so
yeah.
we're kind of in it. It's kind of congested right here. We weren't sure why. It's been pretty nice so far, but we figured out right behind me there's a little, we think it's a fox running around, so people are stopping to look at the fox running around. He's just kind of walking around, enjoying the sunshine, I guess.
There's several churches and stuff too.
Churches, I saw cabins so far.
Yeah.
It's been years since we were down here. Usually we come in the summertime, and it is bumper to bumper to bumper to bumper, and we usually turn around and before the loop. So we're on the loop. I think we're 4 miles in, because it said 7 miles to the exit. So we're got a ways to go yet, but see, the traffic will get going here again in a second until the next animal appears. And we'll check in along the way.